A very good morning to all of you. My name is Dr. Neeraj Dhulia, and today we are going to test the flavor of the phylum Chordata. Chordata. What is Chordata? Chordata is a phylum of animal, and it is relatively interesting because we also chordates. What is the meaning of the Chordata and who gave the term Chordata? So the word Chordata is made up of the two words chord and eta. Chord means a string or a thread, and eta means to bear. So the animals who bear a string-like structure in their life considered or put in the phyla Chordata. The scientist Balfour gave the term Chordata in 1880. So there are few fundamental characters which are associated with the phyla Chordata. So what are the fundamental characters? We will understand here. So this is the diagram of a typical chordate. A typical chordate have some fundamental characters, and out of them one is the presence of notochord. The first fundamental character is the presence of notochord. Notochord is a solid structure in the animal which moves from anterior end to the posterior end of the body. It is situated above the alimentary canal and below the nerve cord. So this is the position of the notochord. The chordates are categorized into the lower chordata and higher chordata on the basis of few characters, and one of them is the presence of notochord. If any animal have notochord in their body in the whole life, it is situated or it is put into the lower chordata. In the higher chordates, only the embryonic stages have the notochord, but in adult this notochord is replaced by the vertebra or the vertebral column. The second fundamental character of chordata is the dorsal hollow nerve cord. First one is the notochord. Second fundamental character is the dorsal hollow nerve cord. So you can see here in the diagram that this is the position of the nerve cord. It is above the notochord and just below the body wall. Just below the body wall. This is the body wall. So it is situated in the dorsal position at the back side. Okay. It is hollow, while the notochord is the solid structure. The nerve cord is converted into the spinal cord in the adult. So this is the second fundamental character. The third one is the presence of pharyngeal gill slits or the gill clefts. The presence of the pharyngeal gill slits is the third fundamental character of the chordate. So in this diagram you can see that this is the alimentary canal or the gut, mouth, and in the pharyngeal region, this is the pharyngeal region. In the pharyngeal region there are some gill slits are there, and the basic fundamental function of the gill slits is the respiration. So in the higher chordates these gill slits are disappear, and because the function, that is the respiration, is generally performed by the lungs, so there is no need of the gill slits. But in the fishes and the amphibians, gill slits are there in the whole life, but in the lower chordates it is also present in the whole life. In the higher chordates the pharyngeal gill slits are disappeared, but in our embryo also we have the gill slits. So this is the third fundamental character. The function, the basic function of the notochord is the support. So the notochord provides the support to the body structure, and the structure which is formed by the notochord is the vertebral column. That is again also for the support of the body structure. So this notochord provides support to the muscles in the body. So these are the three fundamental characters. One more character is there, that is known as the fourth fundamental character, and that is the presence of post anal tail. Presence of the post anal tail, that is this region. This is the tail, and in the chordates the post anal tail is present. In the lower chordates or in the invertebrates, the position of anus is generally terminal. In this typical diagram, we can see here that anus is present, but it is not at the terminal region, it is before the terminal region. So this is the fourth fundamental character of the chordata. So these are the fundamental characters. There are some basic general characters also there for the chordates that we will study in the next videos. Thank you.